Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Nisha this side, and yeah, it's a weekend. It is Saturday today, and मैंने अभी अभी समोसा खाया है after having the entire week like home cooked breakfast, which by the way was delicious also. But you know what, I do deserve a samosa at least on weekends, so yeah, that's what I did. Anyways, so जो मैंने decluttering और सफाई करी थी हॉल की, जिसको आई थिंक 2 हफ्ते हो चुका है. आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ दैट आई हैव बीन एबल टू कीप दैट एरिया क्लीन, सो इट इज स्टिल द वे लाइक आई क्लीनड इट बिफोर, सो लाइक इट लुक्स द सेम, सो विच इज नाइस, वेरी वेरी नाइस. बट this room, this अंदर वाला room, god, it's a mess. Look at the table, it's crazy. The stuff on this drawer chest is also like super crazy, and what I'm seeing right now in front of my eyes, you don't want to look at it, like it's bad. Anyways, तो आज ये सारा साफ सफाई हमको करना है. By the way, this room mostly is about my clothes, makeup, some shooting stuff. You can see something just being there, which by the way is an impulsive purchase. और मैंने इसको घंटा यूज़ नहीं किया अभी तक, मतलब इसको साल भर हो गया पड़े पड़े, 10,000 का माल है बट घंटा यूज़ नहीं किया मैंने. सॉरी मॉम. Okay, so let's get started. I think that I'll start with this area first, which is my makeup stuff. So all the drawers and everything, and we'll declutter. We'll throw away everything that I don't use or has been expired, honestly, because we don't need them. 2026 is not about keeping stuff which I don't need, only keeping stuff that I will actually end up using. So let's go. You can see that how crazy it looks right now. काफ़ी धूल भी हो चुकी है इस पे. Want to open the first drawer for you. See, oh my god, the stuff. And 60 or 70% of the stuff I don't even use. Then we have clothes. We have more clothes and a lot of stuff going on ऐसे नीचे वाले drawers में. And by the way, this stuff right here, these are all my makeup brushes and a beauty blender. और ये मैंने कल ही धोया है. These are all super clean brushes. Just wanted to let you know. Okay. Let's just start with whatever is going on right here, and I'm also gonna get a garbage bag because we need to throw stuff out. Got the garbage bag, which by the way is a super cute color. Okay, so let's start. Okay, we still have this is new. Gonna keep it. Also new for my hair care. I'm gonna keep it. We have a facial trimmer going on, which I have not used for like ages. I've never used it actually. Again, impulsive purchase, but we'll find the use of it. Okay, then I have this body moisturizer. This is from Plum, and by the way, this is really good. This is vanilla. I love vanilla. So anything which comes with the fragrance of vanilla, I'm in. Then I have this also used before. Okay, this is also not expired. This one, this little guy right here, I don't know. Art stuff. These are acrylic pens. Never use them. I have some random parchment papers going on. मैंने I think किसी वजह से इनको मंगाया था, but I don't even remember the reason now. I think I also need to throw away the jewelry that I don't use. तो आप देख ही लेते हैं. जैसे ये एक अकेला ही पड़ा हुआ है. एक दो. These I don't use यार actually. देखिए ये सब टूट गया है. एक दो. This is okay. This I don't particularly use, but I used to love the chum chum stuff. तो ये रख देते हैं. तो मेरे पास ये वाला जो ड्रॉअर था वो रखा हुआ था. मैंने आई हैव नो आइडिया कि लास्ट टाइम मैंने इसको क्यों बंद करके रख दिया था. मे बी आई डिडंट हैव स्पेस, बट या मैंने अभी इसको क्लीन किया है, धोया है. आई हैव रीअसेंबल्ड इट, एंड यू नो व्हाट, everything, a lot of mess which is going on here and I don't have space for, that can go inside. So example, I don't have space for these pens, they can go inside. The acrylic markers, they also need to go inside. I have this box of Ohuhu markers. Again, don't really have space for them. They can also go inside. Another set of Ohuhu markers. I'm just obsessed. Sorry. This also can go inside. I have very random things going on. Shooting ke liye, they can also go inside. This is, I think, a screen cleaner or something like that. Okay. Few random diaries, notepads that I have. Set of brushes. I have an extremely huge gouache color set. This is from Himimiya. This one also, I think I can keep it above the drawer set. I have cleaned this area and time to clean this mess up. I'll have to see, as in these area wala cheeze to main use bhi nahi karti hu. Mostly this is the stuff that I end up using. So let's see, and let's not have things that I do not actually use. Okay, to start with, this is my hair care stuff. This I'll use, oils and everything, useful. This I should use but I don't use, but you know what, iska expiry bacha hai. This I will use. It's aloe vera gel. These are some mixtures of oils, and these I use on a regular basis. I don't use this, and I don't think कि ये कुछ खास काम का भी है, honestly. This also I don't use this. Curly hair cream. I don't know what does this do. याद भी नहीं कि मंगाया था. There's Borolene. This we should keep actually. Again, another mixture of oil. I use it. All these oils, I use them. These are recent purchases actually. Bindi, let's keep it. This is a tweezer, we should keep it. I don't use this at all. I'm just gonna throw it away. What is this? That's a eyeline. Oh, I think that's a, oh yes, that's a white kajal or something. Throw it there, but dabba. And this is the amount of stuff that we are throwing away. I don't use this moisturizer, bought it long back, so we'll have to throw it away, and a whole other stuff. Okay, तो ये टेबल के एरिया मैंने पूरा क्लीन कर दिया है. I have also looked into this box. जो भी चीज़ें काम की नहीं थी वो सब मैंने उड़ा दी. कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स थे उल्टे पुल्टे, कुछ रैंडम डायरीज थी that I don't actually use. I threw all that away. And now I'm going to look into this drawer and this drawer. इसमें mostly कुछ electronics का ही सामान होगा. What all like other thing that I've done is कि मैंने ये जो second drawer है इसको खाली कर दिया है. इसके कपड़े मैंने कहीं और शिफ्ट कर दिए हैं. So I have some space here. So अगर टेबल का कुछ सामान मुझे रखना है which I don't want to keep here, I'll keep that here. काफ़ी सारा सामान इसमें. Lint remover, which is important. So this one we can keep. Oh, this one pocket 3 का box. अगर इसमें कुछ काम का नहीं है तो इसको फेंक देते हैं. I have a lot of boxes kept with me. I have a bag of what I don't know. These are some shooting stuff from Digitech. I don't even know what bag is this. Oh, this is this का bag, I believe. ये मैं सोच ही रही थी इसको वापस अंदर रख देने का. रख ही देते हैं what. Because I'm not exactly using it. Time to put this thing away. Until the day I actually need this. Just gonna clean it. तो ये पूरा एरिया मैंने क्लीन कर दिया. आई थिंक जितना सामान था उतना ही मैंने वापस डाल दिया. फ्यू बॉक्सेस आई हैव थ्रोन बट रेस्ट इट्स द सेम. Now it's turn for this little guy which has like a crazy amount of stuff going on. Time to clean this mess. Let's do it. Guys, I have finally cleaned my entire house. The hall तो पहले से साफ था. Let me just look how cute it looks. So this is the wardrobe. By the way, I have not touched the wardrobe as in अंदर का मैंने कुछ साफ नहीं किया है. The reason is कि ये मैं अंदर का वैसे mostly okay ही है. मोस्टली द आइडिया वाज कि मैं ऊपर से चीज़ें अच्छे से मेंटेन कर दूँ, साफ़ कर दूँ, जगह पे रख दूँ. रेस्ट ऑल द अदर थिंग्स छोटा मोटा मैं ओवर द टाइम करती रहूँगी. सो लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली शो इट टू यू. सो दिस इज़ द वार्डरोब एरिया. सो आई हैव पुट माई ऑल द शूटिंग स्टफ हियर. So all the tripods and everything, like part of them is actually here, the other part is kept somewhere else. Then this is my drawer, chest of drawers, and the first is this one I have cleaned. This is my makeup box, a little decoration over here. All my perfumes are there. All the cleaned makeup brushes, these I cleaned very recently. And the first drawer is all about my makeup, hair care, technically all the products that I need. The second one actually मैंने इसको खाली किया and I have made it like a drawer which has all my shooting stuff. So all my mics and my छोटा मोटा tripods and lightings and few things are here. And the other ones I have not touched. Why? Because they're already well maintained. So वो मैंने नहीं touch किया है. I changed the pillow covers. Then this one already some makeup stuff is here. Few paintings here and there. I cleaned these as well. Then a book, a painting, a little random artificial thing going on. I cleaned up this entire desk. And पहले मैं क्या करती थी, मैं यहाँ बहुत सारा तामझाम रख देती थी. This time I decided that I will keep it clean. I will not put much here. This is a laptop, as in जिसके ऊपर लैपटॉप रखते हैं, so that thing is there. This is my guitar by the way. Few of the tripods and stuff is here. एक छोटा सा मैंने like waist thingy मैंने यहाँ पे रख दिया. By the way, this is artificial. And then I had a spare light going on, तो वो मैंने यहाँ पे लगा दिया and it looks super cute. Then I have this drawer. This entire drawer is actually, so the first one is about my few of my jewelries, and everything, like all the rest stuff is all about my art stuff. So all the paints and everything is there. And ये मैंने अच्छे से clean करके रखा था, so I didn't have to touch it. This drawer ये मेरे पास disassembled पहले रखा था, but I assembled it again, and this allowed me to have some space. So as in कुछ चीज़ें जो मेरी इधर उधर पड़ी रहती थी वो मैंने यहाँ रख दी. तो सब जो पहले टेबल पे पड़ी हुई थी एक्चुअली, नाउ आई फाउंड सम स्पेस फॉर इट. एंड दिस इज़ दैट बड़ा वाला आर्ट वाला, like the color, biggest color thingy. Jewelry is still something that I have to figure out, क्योंकि मैंने नई खरीदी थी. And then there's one other box which is kept there जो मैंने घर पे आके उसमें से सामान निकाला नहीं है, so that I still have to figure out. These are all the laundry bags actually. मेरे जाने से पहले काफ़ी कपड़े गंदे थे तो वो मुझे धोने, ऑफ कोर्स इतना तो लॉन्ड्री बैग में नहीं आएगा, तो मैंने ब्लिंकेट बैग्स को रीयूज़ कर लिया है. धीरे धीरे करके मैं इनको साफ़ कर दूँगी, एंड आई विल कीप लाइक आई विल पुट एवरीथिंग अवे. एंड देन हियर इट्स मी. I know, super cute. So yes, thank you so much for watching. this video till the end. बहुत ही मेरा लाइक बॉडी दर्द कर रहा है अब इतना काम करने के बाद. ऑल्सो दिन भर साफ सफाई करने के बाद आई हैड अ डिज़ाइन सेशन विद a few people. I was jury there, and this was the first event of 2026. It went amazing, it went great, so I'm really really happy. I am tired, but I'm extremely happy. घर भी साफ हो गया है, and now my mind is going to be at peace. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, all the good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.